Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to build a website on HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for a free CRM account to get started. Navigate to the website section in your dashboard. Here, you'll find options to create new pages or an entire website. You can choose from various templates or begin with a blank slate, giving you full creative control. Now, let's dive into designing your pages. HubSpot's intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes it simple to add elements like text blocks, images, and call-to-action buttons. You can easily customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. Remember to preview your pages on different devices to ensure they look great on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, providing a seamless user experience. Next, focus on your content and search engine optimization. Craft compelling text and visuals that speak directly to your audience. Integrate relevant keywords naturally throughout your pages to help search engines understand your content. HubSpot provides built-in SEO recommendations and analytics, guiding you to improve your site's visibility and attract more organic traffic, which is crucial for growth. Finally, it's time to publish your masterpiece and track its performance. Once your site is ready, connect your custom domain and hit publish. HubSpot's robust analytics dashboard allows you to monitor traffic, conversions, and user engagement. Use these insights to make informed decisions, continuously optimizing your website for better results and ensuring it serves your business goals effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.